Hi and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new video, obviously. The video I have for today is unboxing my first ever PR package, which I received through, what I mean by I received through is I got this opportunity via Instagram, not YouTube. So kind of like first Instagram PR package. This package is from Sigma Beauty and I have it right here next to me. And it looks like this. So I'd say it's like a pretty big PR package. Like it's not tiny. It's bigger than my face. So we're going to go ahead and unbox it live on my channel. And I obviously haven't had a chance to look at this yet. So this is like a surprise for you and for me. Although it's like a PR package, it doesn't necessarily mean that I'm on their PR list. They reached out to me to become a Sigma affiliate, and this is the package they send for you to like test out their products and see. That being said, I do have an affiliate code with Sigma Beauty, which I will leave on the screen and in the link down below if you ever are shopping on Sigma and want to save 10%. I'm about to open the PR package. I kind of like popped this part down, but I haven't like looked inside, so I'll let you guys see first. So obviously not much as you can see yet. I love the pink on the inside. This is so cute. So I have a little card here which says, Melina, welcome to the Sigma family. Enjoy your Sigma goodies. So I don't know if that will pick up on camera, but that is the note they sent me. And then I have this like bigger card which says Sigma Beauty, and on the top it says beauty delivery on the front, not the top. So it kind of has like a list of everything that Sigma carries, almost like a catalog, I would say. And then so they have like their brushes and brush accessories, brush kits, and then all their makeup products on the back of this, which I think is really helpful, you know, because like sometimes websites can be like too overwhelming. I don't know how to hold this without like dying. Okay, so on the top here we have this Sigma Express brush cleaning mat, which is really helpful because I need to clean my brushes. And we also have the 3D HD blender, which I saw a lot of like beauty gurus raving about at one point, so like this will be interesting to try. We have the Sigma foam brush shampoo, Sigmagic, right here. It's a pretty big bottle. We have their E36 blending brush, which I don't have a brush like this. It's kind of like tapered. Is it focusing on the brush here? This is going to be really helpful for my eyeshadow looks. Then we have the Sigma F37, which is a spotlight duster. So like I'd say for like brushing away excess product. And then we have the Sigma Flat Kabuki F80. And then finally, over here, and like there's some more stuff in like this package right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this on one of the sides right here. Okay, so this is, I want to say makeup. So this is the Aurora face powder. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this. The color, it's Corderosa. So is this like a blush? I think this is a blush, even though it says face powder. Huh. I mean, I would use, there's a little thing. I would use it as blush. It looks like a blush color, not so much like a face powder, like for setting the face. I don't know. I'm going to look it up on the website just to double check, or check my catalog thing. This box is bothering me in the background. One second. Also, we have this Sinuosity Lash Curling Mascara. So I'm always down to try a new mascara. You can never have, there's never an end on the search for the perfect mascara, in my opinion. I'm definitely going to be using this in an upcoming Insta video because why not? So this is the tube right here, and I'm going to go ahead and open it up and show you guys the wand. Oh my god, my nails are horrible. Picking off lash glue from lashes just like takes a toll. Ooh, okay. So this is the wand on the brush here. This is like the, I don't think I've used a mascara with this type of brush before, so I will let you guys know how this works. Then we have a few more products. We have the Sigma Eyeshadow Base primer in the shade Bubbly, which is such a cute name. So it looks like this. And I'm going to go ahead and swatch it on the back of my hand. It's a eyeshadow base, but I think it has a bit of a, like, I don't know, a glitter or a sheen. If you can see what I'm talking about on camera. Next, we have one of their Creme de Couture liquid lipsticks in this shade Fox Glove, which is not a shade I think I will be wearing much because it's kind of bright, but it looks like this. I have never tried this formula from them. I feel like Sigma was the brush brand before Morphe really like took off running. Like they were the ones that like a lot of people still use, but more people have turned towards Morphe, I believe, because of the affordability. I think Sigma does have a bit of a higher price point, but I also believe that's because it has a little bit of a higher quality. So it just depends on what you're looking for in your products. So there's this color swatch. It's coming off a lot more vibrant on camera, I'd say. In person, it's a little bit deeper. Last but not least, we have the Sigma Liquid Eye Pen. So I'm going to go ahead and open this for you. I think this is shade Wicked, so it's just the black, which is nice. I currently use Kat Von D Trooper Liner. If this is like, has like a similar kind of look to it on the tip, so that means I might like this. Oh, and that is jet black. Okay. I just like did the slightest swatch on my hand and it came out super, super pigmented right there. But I see the tiniest bit of bleeding. I will be testing all these products out. A big thank you to Sigma Beauty for sending me this package. It's a really, it's a motivator. It's like a boost. It kind of reaffirms that like what you're doing is like people are getting to see it and people enjoy your work. So I really appreciate that and the support. Thank you guys for watching this video and I will see you in the next one. Bye everyone.